mo niya.
Ewan kami na bahay ba? Hindi na kailangan niya na ito.
Yan.
Para ito sa mga mahihina ng boses, ayun, gagamit kayo ng ganito.
As against you want to please na. Parang yun ang dapat. Want to please na. Hindi ko eh. 1, 2, 3.
Para daw marinig sa kamera niya. Kaya tabangan. Halo, o wala na si Halo.
Pinatay.
Halo, Pudu. Okay. Nagulat kayo bigla. Basta hindi kanina po, wala kayong magawa. Kaya next time huwag niyo bibitahan. Alam na this, meron kayong gagawin. Okay, ako mauna, as I said, na magsalita lang kayo ng positive, hawak, negative. Positive about marriage. Because today is her birthday, and then we have to say something good, positive, hindi negative. Okay, ako mauna.
Ako yung ginawa ko pagkain.
Hindi mo ang pagkain sa ulo ko talaga. Alam ko naman hindi ko gumagawa ito sa ano. Okay, sige. Paano tayo matapos? Mahaba pa ang linya. Margie, thank you for inviting me. And then, I know you, I don't remember when. And it's very understandable because I'm already old. So, hindi naman. But first time I saw you, you were so cute, and you were so nice, beautiful, and smiling, together with your husband, handsome husband. I said, oh, this lady, I think I would like to know her more. And then I saw you, you're always in the church, and then you are very helpful. Thank you, my dear. Happy birthday again. Oskol. Every speech sa school. Kasama mo na si Gero. Okay, next.
Thank you, Mars, for inviting me in this wonderful evening with a good food. Anyway, something to make me teacher.
Huwag mo naman i-booking. Nakabidyo.
Kalibigan mo naman. Thank you for masarap na pagkain. Thank you, ladies, for coming also. It's so wonderful to have with you this evening. Di na tama.
Ano daw?
Dito, clockwise. Naganda ako na kasi wala naman din na. Pero clockwise, it's supposed to be. Your turn.
Ay, walang copy-paste daw ah.
Kaya namin isang kagan nga ni Chagay, baka maubos yung mga adjective. Okay, go!
Nami ko si Margie through Atlas. Kaya ako muna yung nakilala ko.
Oo, hindi ikaw.
Hindi kasi binili namin yung bahay na Atlas. Kami yung nagtake over. So, sabi ni Atlas, mayroon daw siyang jowa na Pinay.
Yung maganda.
Yeah. May beautiful, amazing girlfriend. Tapos sabi ko, sige mo na. Masyadong friends. Ayun. Gusto ko siya kasi super bubbly. Tapos masaya. Super smiling face.
Kinuha na yung bubbly mo?
Wala na tayo adjective pagdating sa atin.
Dahil sa akin, dahil sobrang busy ko sila na ang dami nang invite niya na na wala akong choice kundi mag-no kasi wala talaga magbabatay sa mata or wala akong mapali sa work. So finally
Nakayos. Thank you and happy birthday.
Oh, Skol! Ihanda mo yung mga wine mo, ha?
Ito yung pusat ko talaga, te. Every time mag-school tayo.
Okay,
Pusat. On the way!
Next.
Napulit sa ako. Puro na ba?
Pwede mo na ba yung group? Okay. Okay, quiet.
Kami, hello?
Ayaw niya.
Ay, wala na.
Oh, it's okay. Wala
Wala
na.
na.
Hello. Kami na nakilala kami ni Margie sa
Yeah,
hindi pa years isang taon pa kami. So, sa una ay sa akala ko hindi kami magkakasundo kasi parang maarte. Parang maarte. Kasi yung first impression ko sa kanya.
First impression ba?
First impression ko sa kanya. And then, dumaan yung mga araw. So, magkakasundo pala kami kasi may topak din pala. Wala nga din mo. Maganda yung sense of humor na sa kanya lang din ako palang dito napatawag ng malakas. May iyak ko.
ano yung panyo?
Hindi kasi hindi ka expect na si Margie is magiging may role siya sa ano ko ba, sa buhay ko na. Hindi ako makaka-work kung hindi dahil sa kanya. And
Hindi pala utang mo sa kanya.
Ilunggo ako.
at saka, malang beses siya nag-invite sa akin yung gala. Punta dito, pero hindi ko makaya ako kasabay. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo din na kahit hindi ako kasabay sa mga gala mo, kung ano, andito ako, tahimik, pero genuinely, masaya at pumapalakpak sa lahat ng magagandang moments sa buhay ko.
Oscar! Okay, next! Oh, quiet na, quiet na! Walang iyak ka na?
Iyon ko muna. Ako lang yata yun.
I met Margie on Rose Place, I think. On your party in Rose? I think that's the first time I met her.
Yeah, maybe?
Or I interacted. Yeah, like, birthday ni Tito.
With
Yung peke kong birthday?
Ambassador. With ambassador, yeah.
Wow! Wow!
No, we're not the ambassador, but ambassador is there. Na, I was, ano siya, Adi. And sweeter. That's all I like from her. And makulit. Minsan masakit mangurot. Kaya nalaliwan ko na eh. Although, gusto ko yung pag-yakap-yakap ko, kaya minsan nangihigit eh. Sobrang ano. She's sweet and nice girl, so she's like a little sister. So, pag lumalabas, it's never
Say no.
Hindi, I mean,
Good partner in shopping, ah?
ang kalog, I mean, masaya kasama. So, I hope we don't change.
School.
Goal!
Wow!
Wow! Kailangan ko pa ba?
Oo. Kasi may micro na ano siya doon sa camera.
Kaya ng boses ko.
Mapapamumul si ito.
Alam mo ba, G, sasakyan ng asawa ko, sinukaan ko nung nandun ako sa pati niya.
Oh, maingay na. Kayo
Hindi
mag-estudyante dyan.
ako kasama. Nakarinig ko na kayo nagre-review.
Naka-review kami kagabi, kaya ako boring.
Okay, go.
March.
Well.
Ang grabe ang intro.
Sa church. I met her first at the church. Peace be with you. I like her. Your energy, your sense of humor. It's like, sometimes I got that day, my energy is like lower than 50. And then suddenly it's like, hi Alton, how are you? It's like my energy is like, oh, up to 100, I'm okay. Continue to be pretty face, of course. Your energy and your humor, continue that, and till next Sinulog. Wala kayong masabihin.
Tamo na sa mga tawa,
Nay, no accepted.
Nagbasa ka, ausil kang reading. Kaya nga ayaw ko magbasa doon sa simbahan kasi may mikrofon. Sabi nila, magbasa ka sa simbahan, mag-second reading ka, huwag na magkanta lang ako. Kasi yung microphone, oh, I don't like microphone. That's why. Eh, ikaw, no exemption, or second reading.
Excited na yung nasa dulo.
school na nga lang naman. Nasabi na lang. Nagplano na sila te. Nagplano na sila te. Sasabihin nila, school na lang.
Hindi pa ubus ang chicken. Pagdating sa dulo, naubos na.
Sige na, sige na, sige na.
Yeah, okay. First, happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me. First time ko nakita si Margie doon sa simbahan. At sabi ko, ay, Pilipinas. Kasi parang naman siyang
Chinese, Korean.
sabi ko, ito na tayo doon sa surgical diba? For siyang little baby. Ano siya, sa likod ni Ate. Sabi ko, pagka tayo sa si Akli smile lang. Sabi ko, nagdawalari pa kayo. Hindi naman. So, kapunta kasi dahil kay Akli pag-inaw. Saka she was very sweet. Very young, sometimes.
Ilonggo te. They're sweet because ilonggo.
Gawla.
Ay, ganun ba? So yun, from that time, she's very time. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Good.
Kaya pa nag-away yan sila na atla, papatay.
Ay, hindi ganyan si Mama.
Galit na yan, ha?
Okay, next. Annabelle.
Happy birthday, Mark. Thank you for inviting me. I met Margie in the church first time. I only asking if she's a Filipino. Oh, di ba? Maano ka noon eh, parang naano ka pa sa mga ibang Pilipino. Hihingi ko.
Mukha lang.
Hindi magmumuniwalaan.
Na-prank ikaw.
Tapos, every first Sunday and third Sunday, nakikita tayo, di ba? Tapos pag sabi, nag-umpisa na yung mga plans natin, di ba? Bumibisita sa akin, nagpupunta ng mga plans.
maglaro kay Kumpis.
Oo.
Sige, magtanim pa
Best
kayo ng
friend.
salat.
Si Kumpis.
At saka, masaya siya. Pati si Atlen. Kung bibisita sila parang nag-ano rin yung mga asawa namin, nag-uusap. Ano na naman yan tinatago mong kukunin, sabi ko, di ba? Gusto niya ako ng mga plano si Marge. Sana huwag kang magbago. Beautiful lady.
Kasi parang ako.
Hindi ko sinabi yun, ha?
Bubugin yan tayo pag magbago.
Happy birthday and I love you.
Wala na pinag
Si Kiray na ba? Share doon. Okay, go.
Bigla akong kinabahan.
Wala ako.
Happy birthday, Marge!
Ang dami pa naman nakangipon yan.
Okay. Tahimik. Hindi ako siya nakatahimik.
Thank you sa pag-invite. Tapos nakita ko na yung mga pinag-usapan
Nakakala mo ba?
Yung pink na kandila, pink na table, sila, centerpiece, gano'n. Saka yung mga balloons. Ito pa yung Barbie theme. Endily. I first met Marjuan last 2024. I think that was when we are just walking in Mos. I met her through Susie because we are the same Longga. So we clicked together. We say Longga!
Kaming bisdak-dak.
So nagkataintindihan yung mga chika gano'n. At I think na kita lang nagawa sa parang ganun. Tapos yung iyak yung anak ko, hindi na makalimutan ng anak ko yung ngipin niya. May bako. Kasi ako siya nung ganun. Si Marge, ay, may brace! May kurang! Tapos pag next na meet namin is yung nagsabi to pay dito. So hindi din makalimutan ang asawa ko, ay, may puting bahay sa Moscow, si Margie. Tapos sunod-sunod na.
Huwag mong ibahin yung pinta ng bahay. Bukas dito yan.
Tapos ayun, sabi ng asawa ko, ay, yung may trailer yun sa labas.
Hindi iba ah!
Tapos natatandaan nyo na yung labas ng bahay. Dati meron na, yung may boat. Ngayon wala na. So trailer na lang yung natira.
They're just so bad to think about. Let me just say March, not the boat.
May mga palatanda. Actually, ganyan naman yung mga information kasi may mga nakatanda ng pangalan.
Yeah.
So, si ate yung lang sabihin, yung asawa ng lupa na natin ng kahoy. Parang gano'n. So, ayun. Tapos, kasi ataras kami na Ilongga ni Marjo, so, mabilis yung chika, yung gano'n-gano'n, yung pagkikipag-usap, mas madali. So, lagi kami nagkakatawagan since nag-permiser na po noong last year. So, lagi kami, siya, very accommodating. Punta kami dyan, kain kami. So, dito kami, tapos kain lang, tapos uyagan. Kasi uya na las dos, parang hilit na ito na yung kinain mo. Uya na. Yeah. So, tapos yung thank you sa kay Elisa lagi. Pag praise, ko. Sa mga anak namin.
Yeah, ganun lang si Margie. So, very accommodating. Ako, dating. Thank you.
Sabi ka ng aking cake.
Ako nga dating, tapos na ha? Apat na oras yan ha?
Okay, next.
Nakita ko si simbahan. Sino ba yan?
Naka-microphone ka na, di ba rin kita nakita?
Susi, idol ka talaga dito. Rose wine.
Makinig mo na kayo.
Mag-ilongga ka. Ako nag-translate.
Saglit lang kasi nag-ano pa.
Kahit ulong ko.
Okay. Salamat sa pag-imbita kay spoiler tita ni Bernard.
You're a spoiler, tita. So, yeah, then you need to have more children and
Si Margie always support me. And also always calling me. And how are you? And then also say we have food here. If you want, you come here and eat. Just like yesterday, I will come to help you.
You
When
did
I
that.
help, I did not help.
Wait more minutes.
I came here and eat. After few minutes, my husband came and and yeah. Thank you for inviting me. Happy birthday.
Okay, stop!
Hindi kayo matay.
Ikaw na nag-spoil. Nandito na sa akin.
So, malabas na yung camera yung school na yung school.
Okay, Van.
Ako naman, hindi mahaba yung speech ko since nasabi na halos lahat. March, I'm thankful na nakilala kita and continue ka lang kung ano man. Thank you sa mga chika, sa pakikinig, both positive and negative, and wish ko sa'yo na sana matupad mo yung mga greatest wish mo. Yun lang. I love you.
Dapat magagamit ng next na na-additive. May ano yan eh. May punishment.
Thank you rin pala sa pagiging konsentidor kita ni Olivia. Naturo ng kamalitan ng Olivia. Hanggang sobra kasi papatawag kami ng barihado.
Napadouble lang inom sila, Vans. Pagkatapos nito, ubos na kasi na tayo. Yeah, and sige, ano say ba?
Thank you sa pag-invite. Saka,
Huwag, medicine na lang.
yes, thank you po sa pag-invite. Ilan taon ka na? 18. Salamat kasi sa lahat ng invite. Tayo po invite. Kahit makikikain na ako. Salamat. Kahit layo-layo ko na tayo ako pag-drupa. Para makikain. Salamat po. Salamat kasi nagkaroon ng bagong circle group ng friends.
Yes!
Mas masaya ang balik na. So, thank you and happy birthday.
Wala na ito. Ay, hindi ko yung sasabihin ng I love you.
Score! Score!
Score!
Ano makauwi ako mga?
Malapit na sa akin. Ay,
Okay.
Hello. Hi, Marge. Nakilala ko si Margie through Teresa and Susan. lagi pag summer. Parang for these past years. Kasi wala akong work ng summer. So lagi yan sila nagsasabi. Pupunta kami ng Riviera. Kasama si Margie, kasama ka. Pupunta din ako doon. Tapos si Margie, one time, galing ako ng work ko, sabi nila, nagluto kami ng binubuan. Ay, nilakad ko. Nilakad ko from my work. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung bahay niya. Sabi nila, huwag ka na mag-gas, nakarin ko lang kasi malaki. 20 minutes! Buti na lang pagdating na dito, gamitin ko yung accommodating. Ang accommodating, siguro kita nila yung taktak ng pawis ko. Ito na, dito mo, ito meron. Saka, si Margie, appreciated ko na kahit hindi kami laging nagkikita, nang pumunta siya ng first time sa bahay ko. Yan yung gusto ko sa kanya, yung parang feel at home, yung parang, ina-assert niya yung sarili niya na we're friends. Kahit hindi tayo laging nagkikita, we're friends. Kahit na parang extended friendship lang, we're friends pa rin. So, Margie, thank you for inviting me. This is my first time sa circle of your friends na naka-attend ako ng party mo. Tsaka yung pag nagsisimba, minsan na ako, siya lagi nagsisimba. Ako, minsan ko simba. Pero dahil nandun si Margie, so every time nakakita ako sa taas, so feeling ko, lagi din ako andun. At saka, syempre sila ate, pag nakikita ko lang, kahit na sa lang, sa most data, pero masasabi mo talaga na parang at home ka kahit malayo ka sa Pinas. Dahil sa'yo mga Pilipina. At dahil din yan sa'yo, Margie, because sabi nga nila, accommodate mo ang birthday mo. Thank you, happy birthday, lahat ng desire ng heart mo, hidden desire, ngayong year yan, ibibigay ni Lord. Manifest natin. Amen.
March kami, ano yung wish mo? Laki naman maxima, mapasa ano ba? February pa lang yun. Pagsulat ka.
Oh, kabalo, si Marge, pagkakong magsalita.
Hi, Mars.
Mga hidden secrets.
You're almost a little sister for me.
Be nice.
No!
Of all the circle of friends that Marge somehow have met, I think I am the one that was really no years old. But I'm not brilliant. Sorry. She's because we are both along that, so it's very easy for us to be more closer. I know her. How did I know you? I know her in the church, of course, like you all do. And she's even thinking like I just ignore her, that I never talk to her. And her reason is I'm a little bit like snobbish, but it's not. It's because she's on her phone all the time. So and she's not accepting it on her now. But anyway, I have been here much of the time. I don't need to be invited. I just come on my own. And she's always welcome in our place in Narconon with Atle. So we've been a lot of time grilling and go on swimming together with Ama and Sophie Hotel. So we are very grateful to have you and all of you here too. Since we are much of the time in the church doing different kind of things. And the last synod, of course, I was really asking her to join since I think you really need help too. So she's very quick to say yes. And we even do a lot of this practicing here in their place. I really want you to achieve what you want to achieve here in Norway. To have life here in Norway is not that easy, of course, as we have experienced it, but you will be succeeding in what you want. So just be very consistent and very patient, of course. And if everybody says people from Iloilo is very sweet, it's not applicable to me and Marge. Because we are saying the way we want, and we are saying it in a very, very high tune. Everybody expects that it will be like the way Jimmy said. Like, you want to kill somebody, but you're saying it in a very, very sweet and nice way. Not me and Marge. If you want to kill you, you're already killed.
So, but we are somehow, she is very, very sweet. And every time she's calling me, Peter is asking, you're talking with Marks. And when he's delivering my son in Mos, when he come back, I'm still talking with Marks. So I think that's the way I also updated. But we really have a good time. And she's really very, very, somehow very positive and asking me a lot of different things she wants to know here in Norway. And I'm so grateful that she somehow like adopts the way we are here in Norway in every situation. So I wish you the best, March. And I really wish that you will succeed in everything you want. Even in going on skiing, that's why we met Judy in Middagsåsen. And there, Mars is really a very, very quick to learn. Don't think about the way she did. When you're learning skiing on slalom, there are this, how to say, the place where the children, all the children is going to this bow in the middle. But Mars go in the side. So then she took all of this bow, like with a speed, for a good speed. And then we just drive. So there I want you to be more also, and of course with the gang of Irfan and the others and Denise. Of course we have a life here in Norway, we choose to be here, and it's good that we are also enjoying the way what Norwegians is being doing. So I'm so happy to be here today, Mars, and celebrating your birthday with you and all of you here together. Okay, let's go.
You join, so we too hurt. Nobody. And smells like sarumpas.
Ito na.
Okay.
Tagal mo naghintay tayo. Nakailang school na naubos tayo sa metro.
Happy birthday, March. I'm thankful na I'm a part of this wonderful gang kasi ang sasaya.
Yes!
Hindi mo lang alam. Mamaya yan.
I think I met Margie the first time at Ate Rose's house with the ambassador. That's a meeting with the ambassador.
That was horrible.
And then the first impression I had with Marge, I was actually surprised kasi in that tiny body, she has so much energy. Mataas na kaagad yung ano niya, tsaka yung good vibes, positive palagi siya. Tapos I like that na gusto ko yung parang kapag may issue yung isa sa isa, she doesn't blend in, ayaw niyang makialam. Pero wala siyang issue sa magkabila. So gusto ko yan sila na pagka nagkukwentuhan tayo, tapos issue nila yan. I don't want to parang makialam pa. Gusto ko yan kasi parang prangka, tapos totoo. And na-appreciate ko din yung tumawag ka sa akin and ask me if there's something you could help me when I and Isabel celebrated our birthday together. Pag sa akin, ayaw ko nang mga abala ng iba pa, but she said, Nay, can I help you decorate with yung sa mga paint or maggawa ng kakya? Okay, can you make muffins? So thank you na isa ka sa mga naging little friends. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I deserve all the best in this life.
Si Margie, si Kapitan. Kaya ko makialam. Kaya si Kapitan hindi nag-blend in.
Next.
Ay!
Inubos na nila lahat ko.
Hi, Marge. I've seen photos of Marge on Facebook long before I met her in person, which is, I found about a bit mystical, but it's like everyone else said, you look like Koreana. Yeah. So curious pa, yung may helgen ng Filipina, di sama na koreansk ägda, från det tänkte jag. Men så kom jag ända i den dagen och mötte och I met you at the Rose. Yeah, in person. Yeah, dun tayo at the Rose. And first impression is Malditan, to be honest.
Talaga naman.
Yeah, but the thing is, the moment she smiles,
It melts.
it melts away that facade changes. Yeah. Yung sumay mo ba? Yeah. So it's a very lovely surprise because usually I don't invite people in my crowd that easy. So I feel like you made a very good impression. Hindi ako yung mga nakakilala sa akin, hindi ako nagpapapasok. Ganun. So yung may
Mayroon pala hindi ako nakapasok.
Eh, dalawa ilang taon na tayo magkakilala.
Seryoso sila eh.
Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Mag-away na.
Basta na kinanakit.
Wala na, busog na.
Magpapa-third floor na daw sa Ellie.
Okay. Sorry.
So it's a lovely surprise, to be honest, when I got your invite. I was really happy because I know you, but I don't know you that well. And I'm looking forward for more years to get to know you. And sabi ko nga, it's time I will get a school for me. Vicente ako, meron ba interested? So I'm open for that. Bernardo de Banishikoli.
Yes!
Obviously, Gua, Kim Turoson. Videre sa mga, saya hopper the piste, from Polo Preva. So may mga nagtatira tidera. So yung hopper ang sa Polo Lima. Yeah. Ano, summer yan, aming ba sa yeah. Yun at least my hobby things to you such a lovely couple. Na feel is on your resemblance out there also. So since time also, mga ko ni dad and is on the ready to share. Nito at least I know at least Martina guys so yeah. And she's already go some taller. Some sa so Boston has done sila in Iber. O serio at store po there. So for the Boston has done sila mes. Hopper for the kid. So looking forward to get to know you much better in the coming years.
Kita tayo bukas.
Please come to Shimon! Sintrete!
Grabe na yan ang laging mo.
May sana pa
Son! Eh di naubos na rin yung isang bote eh!
Sama pala, Mark.
Okay, now it's your turn. Ang stand up, please.
Sakit ang pangako.
Yan, sana.
Ay, natanggal yung bakal mo.
Ano na yung bakod?
Natanggal yung bakal. Akala mo yung bra ko? Akala na akong bra?
Wala pala natanggal.
Ay, naka-record yun.
Go bra, it's not censored.
Hi, everyone.
Bawal
pa.
Hindi ba?
Well, thank you everyone for coming. Ay, ayaw ko salita.
They good.
Thank you everyone for coming tonight to my birthday celebration. It was so wonderful for me that you attended my birthday. Anyway, I'm so touched the way how you said to me.
Good luck.
Well, you are here because you are special for me. Everyone. I know I have a lot of friends, but you are here because I choose you.
Wow.
We're Pokemons.
Dapat gusyen.
Ang dami kong friends na kilala mo na, pero syempre, hindi naman lahat pwede invite, hindi naman lahat pwede, uy, birthday ko, punta ka ba? Hindi naman pwede yun kasi hindi naman kalakihan yung place ko. Tsaka, hindi naman mayaman para Hindi, lahat ng mga kilala ko. But anyway, you are here because you're special to me and to my husband as well. Some because you're here because my husband like everyone you are here because how you are to me or how you are to my husband most. Yeah. Yeah. And napasya ko dahil sa mga salita niyo. Hindi mo pwede magsalita ng marami kasi ayaw ma-share yung aking makeup. Anyway, I slept 3 hours last night and then after that, I wake up early morning. And then to prepare everything. Now, of course, I'm helper of my husband. And
She's the helper. Here I go.
she's a helper. But anyway, thank you so much for being here at home and celebrating with me. Thank you so much. And cheers, everyone.
Thank you, Marge.
And I love you all.
Okay. Last kami singin. Happy birthday, English or Norwegian? English. English. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Margie. Tapos na ako,
Kotang-kota na.
MC signing off.
Ate, ano na-refill na?
Oo.
Magre-refill na ulit. Ginutom kami sa kakaisip.
Hirap nun, ha?
Salamat pala kay Atli. Sabihin mo kay Atli, salamat talaga sa pag-prepare.
Narinig niya yun, Ten. Narinig niya yun.
Oo. At saka sa nagbigay ng pagkanda ng pagkain.
Grabe naman kayo. Ako talaga tinitingnan nyo lahat, oh.
And anyway, thank you para sa lahat ng mga food and drinks. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Marge.
Thank you so much. Sana bukas ulit.
Extended.
Gusto mo bukas, alas 7:30, dadaan na ako dito.
Yes, yes. Balik sa ako yung
Pagkakain na uli ako dito. Kaya mo na dahil wala na kami ng boto.
Akala ko sa atin yung fine. Sabi niya, first.
Tikman mo na natin.
Sabi ko, ito na opportunity. First, I think, first.
Lagyan mo muna ng konti dahil iwan ko lang.
Akala ko first. Sabi niya, first.
Okay na rin, mapagtsagaan na rin dahil. Pagtsatsagaan na rin. Walang inom eh. Pwede ako magtsaga. Okay, thank you. Hindi ka nagdadrive ako? Nagdadrive? Ay, so sinabihan na siya na siya driver. Magpasunod ako.
Alam ko rin ka. Kasi dadaan na siya doon. Para hindi na mag-likod na yung husband. Hindi kasi dadaan siya. Malaman ko. Meron ba? Meron ba?
May
Bago na po.
Ay, hindi na ako magsigaw ngayon. Naiiyak ako dahil sex na yun. Bakit mo na ano? Naglalako na naman din, di ba? Oo, lalo na siya. Hindi ako makahinto. Hindi ako natalaw. Kumain yung mga ano ba sa alam, madali na lang ako. Dahil ko nasawa ko, lumalabas ako sa linya. Dali-dali yung sana. Ay, madali. Kailangan ko naman kasi. Parang kasi sa lang rin ako. Pag iwan niya, parang magdala. Kumakas na ako doon. Hindi ako lang. Kasi lubak na, di ba? Yeah. May maganda ka na. Sabi ko, sa golf ba na? Nakakapit. Kasi malawak sa loob. Kasi regular year na iniiyot. Gusto ko ako ang dress nila. Maliban ko lang ang ganda. Kaya lang, gusto ka raw, di ba tayo? Nag-online. Sabi niya. Miss the arm. Miss the arm. Naman kita raw. Dahil kasi nagsabi, ano naman ang mas pero try na namin yung kaya
Tapos din yung talent.
Sige, sige, sige.